Mighty mung beans, tiny powerhouses of nutrition. Mung beans are small, green beans packed with nutrients. Don't let their size fool you. These little beans are nutritional powerhouses. They are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Mung beans are low in fat and calories, making them a healthy addition to any diet. Their high fiber content aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a good choice for people with diabetes. In various cuisines worldwide, mung beans are a staple ingredient. They are incredibly versatile and can be used in soups, stews, salads, and even desserts. Their mild flavor makes them adaptable to a wide range of spices and seasonings. Preparing mung beans is a straightforward process. Begin by rinsing the beans in cold water. Remove any debris or shriveled beans. Place the rinsed mung beans in a large pot and add enough water to cover them by about 2 inches. Bring the pot to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer. Cooking time varies depending on the type of mung bean. Whole mung beans typically take 45 to 60 minutes. Split mung beans cook faster, usually within 20 to 30 minutes. The beans are done when they are tender but still hold their shape. This vegan mung bean stew is a comforting and nutritious meal, perfect for any time of the year. Whether you're looking for a cozy winter dish or a light summer meal, this stew fits the bill. It's packed with a variety of fresh vegetables and bursting with flavor, making it not only delicious but also incredibly healthy. The vibrant colors of the vegetables make it as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need to create this delightful dish. You'll need 1 cup of mung beans thoroughly rinsed, 1 tablespoon of olive oil to sauté the vegetables, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 carrots peeled and chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 4 cups of vegetable broth to provide a rich base, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin for a warm, earthy flavor, 1 teaspoon of curry powder to add a bit of spice, and half a teaspoon of turmeric for its vibrant color and health benefits. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste, which will enhance all the other flavors. Now let's move on to the instructions. Start by heating the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. This will be the base for sautéing your vegetables. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Cook these vegetables until they are softened, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. This step is crucial, as it helps to release the natural sweetness of the vegetables. Next, stir in the ground cumin, curry powder, and turmeric. Cook these spices with the vegetables for another minute until they become fragrant. This will help to toast the spices and bring out their full flavor. Add the rinsed mung beans and the vegetable broth to the pot. The broth will provide a rich, savory base for the stew, while the mung beans will add protein and texture. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 45 minutes, or until the mung beans are tender. This slow cooking process allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Once the beans are tender, season the stew with salt and pepper to taste. This final seasoning step is important to balance all the flavors. Serve the stew hot, garnished with fresh cilantro or parsley for a burst of freshness. This garnish not only adds a pop of color but also a fresh, herbaceous note that complements the rich flavors of the stew. Enjoy your hearty and flavorful vegan mung bean stew. Section 4. Protein-packed mung bean salad, a refreshing and satisfying meal. This delightful dish is not only visually appealing but also incredibly nutritious and easy to prepare. This high-protein mung bean salad is perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. It's versatile enough to be enjoyed on its own or paired with your favorite main course. It's packed with fresh vegetables and a zesty lemon dressing that adds a burst of flavor to every bite. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need to create this refreshing salad. Start with 1 cup of cooked mung beans, which should be cooled to room temperature. Mung beans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. Next, you'll need 1 cup of chopped cucumber. The cucumber adds a crisp, refreshing crunch to the salad. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes is also required. Tomatoes bring a juicy, tangy element that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Add half a cup of chopped red onion. The red onion provides a mild, sweet flavor and a bit of a bite. A 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro is essential. Cilantro adds a fresh, herbaceous note that ties all the flavors together. You'll also need a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. The lemon juice gives the salad a bright, tangy kick. 2 tablespoons of olive oil are necessary. Olive oil adds a rich, smooth texture and helps to meld the flavors. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings enhance the overall flavor of the salad. Now, let's move on to the instructions. In a large bowl, combine the cooled mung beans, chopped cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. Make sure to mix them well so that each bite is balanced and flavorful. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. This will be your dressing, which brings all the ingredients together with its zesty and rich flavors. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything to coat evenly. Ensure that the dressing is well distributed so that every bite is deliciously seasoned. You can serve the salad immediately for a fresh and vibrant meal or chill it in the refrigerator for later. Chilling the salad allows the flavors to meld even more, making it even more delicious. Enjoy your protein-packed mung bean salad. Section 5. Boosting nutrition tips for healthier mung bean dishes. Mung beans are a versatile and nutritious ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. By following these tips, you can make your mung bean meals even healthier and more delicious. Elevate your mung bean meals with these simple tips to enhance their nutritional value and flavor. Sprout your beans. Sprouting mung beans is a fantastic way to boost their nutritional content. Sprouting mung beans increases their nutrient content, making them even healthier. The process of sprouting breaks down some of the complex compounds in the beans, making them easier to digest and allowing your body to absorb more of the nutrients. To sprout mung beans, start by soaking the beans overnight in a bowl of water. This initial soaking helps to soften the beans and kickstarts the sprouting process. After soaking, drain and rinse the beans thoroughly. Spread them in a single layer on a damp cloth or in a sprout tray. Make sure they are evenly spread out to allow for proper air circulation. Rinse and drain them twice a day to keep them moist and prevent mold growth. Within a few days, you'll see tiny sprouts emerging from the beans. Once sprouted, mung beans can be added to a variety of dishes. They add a delightful crunch and a boost of nutrition to salads, sandwiches, and stir-fries. Embrace whole grains. Combine mung beans with whole grains like quinoa or brown rice to create complete protein sources. Whole grains complement the amino acid profile of mung beans, making the combination a powerhouse of nutrition. This combination provides all 9 essential amino acids, which are vital for muscle growth, repair, and overall health. Including a variety of grains and legumes in your diet ensures you get a balanced intake of essential nutrients. Experiment with herbs and spices. Herbs and spices are not only great for adding flavor to your dishes, but they also come with a host of health benefits. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs and spices to add flavor and antioxidants to your dishes. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, ginger, and garlic are excellent choices. These spices have anti-inflammatory properties and can enhance the overall health benefits of your meals. Mindful cooking oils. The type of oil you use in cooking can significantly impact the healthiness of your meals. Opt for healthier cooking oils like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. These oils contain beneficial fats that can benefit heart health and reduce inflammation. Olive oil, for instance, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which are known to support cardiovascular health. Avocado oil is another excellent choice, as it has a high smoke point and is packed with healthy fats and vitamins. Coconut oil, while higher in saturated fats, can be used in moderation for its unique flavor and potential health benefits. By making mindful choices about the oils you use, you can enhance the nutritional profile of your mung bean dishes and support your overall health. Section 6. Mung bean magic: versatile, delicious, and good for you. Mung beans are a nutritional powerhouse and a culinary chameleon, adapting to countless dishes. Their high protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals make them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. From hearty stews to refreshing salads, mung beans can be enjoyed in various ways. Experiment with different recipes, explore various cuisines, and discover the magic of mung beans. They are a delicious and nutritious way to enhance your meals and improve your well-being. Section 7. Join the culinary adventure. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey exploring the wonders of mung beans. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate these nutritious and delicious beans into your diet. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes, cooking tips, and culinary adventures.